Wiring a timber frame house presents unique challenges and considerations compared to standard construction. Several resources are available to guide you through the process, including books and websites that offer pictures and diagrams. One valuable resource is the book Timber Framing for the Rest of Us by Rob Rohr. It includes a chapter specifically dedicated to electrical wiring, complete with detailed diagrams and photos to illustrate key concepts. Another helpful book is The Timber Frame Home Design and Construction by Tid Benson. This book covers various aspects of timber frame home building, including a section on electrical wiring. It discusses different wiring techniques suitable for timber frame structures, including the use of traces to conceal wiring. Wiring a Timber Frame Home by John Carroll and Dan Kolb is a specialized guide dedicated entirely to electrical wiring for timber frame structures. It offers in-depth information and practical advice tailored to the specific needs of timber frame construction. In addition to books, numerous websites provide information and resources on wiring timber frame houses. Timberhomes.com offers articles and guides on various aspects of timber frame construction, including electrical wiring. FineHomeBuilding.com features articles and project guides on electrical work, including specific guidance on wiring a timber frame house. GreenBuildingAdvisor.com provides articles and expert advice on sustainable building practices, including information on electrical wiring in timber frame homes. ThisOldHouse.com offers articles and resources on home improvement projects, including guidance on wiring timber frame homes. House Improvements. Info offers resources on electrical wiring in timber frame houses. The practice of building a chase behind the baseboard is a common technique used in timber frame construction to conceal electrical wiring. This method involves creating a small channel or cavity behind the baseboard where electrical wires can be run. This approach helps to keep the wiring hidden from view, maintaining the aesthetic appeal of the timber frame structure. Several pictures illustrate different wiring techniques used in timber frame houses. One image shows an electrical chase behind a baseboard in a timber frame house, demonstrating how the wiring is concealed. Another image illustrates wiring in a timber frame wall with a notch for an electrical box, showcasing how electrical components are integrated into the timber frame structure. Another image shows electrical conduit running along a timber beam, demonstrating an alternative wiring method that can be used in timber frame construction. Conduit provides a protective enclosure for the wiring and can be surface mounted on the timber beams. When wiring a timber frame house, it's essential to carefully plan the layout of the electrical system to ensure that it meets all applicable codes and regulations. Consult with a qualified electrician to ensure that the wiring is installed safely and correctly. Pay attention to the placement of electrical boxes, switches, and outlets, and make sure they are easily accessible and properly grounded. Use appropriate wiring methods and materials for timber frame construction, such as non-metallic sheathed cable or conduit. When running wires through timber framing members, be careful not to compromise the structural integrity of the frame. Drill holes carefully and avoid placing wires in areas that could weaken the timber. Consider using flexible conduit to protect wires that run through tight spaces or areas where movement is likely. Clearly label all electrical circuits and components to make it easier to troubleshoot and maintain the system in the future. Regularly inspect the electrical system to ensure that it is in good working order. Look for any signs of damage or wear, such as frayed wires or loose connections. If you notice any problems, have them repaired promptly by a qualified electrician. Grounding is essential for safety. Ensure that all electrical components are properly grounded to prevent electrical shock. Use ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, in areas where water is present, such as bathrooms and kitchens. This will help to protect against electrical shock in wet environments. Follow all applicable electrical codes and regulations. Electrical codes vary from place to place, so it's important to be familiar with the codes in your area. Consult with a local building inspector to ensure that your electrical work meets all requirements. Consider energy-efficient lighting options, such as LED lighting. LED lights use significantly less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs and can help to save money on electricity bills. Install dimmer switches to control the brightness of lights. This can help to create a more comfortable and energy-efficient living environment. Consider using smart home technology to control lighting, appliances, and other electrical devices. Smart home technology can help to automate tasks, save energy, and improve home security. For example, you can use a smart thermostat to automatically adjust the temperature in your home based on your schedule. You can also use smart lighting to turn lights on and off remotely or to create automated lighting scenes. When choosing electrical fixtures and appliances, look for energy-efficient models. Energy-efficient appliances can save you money on electricity bills and reduce your carbon footprint. Consider installing solar panels to generate your own electricity. Solar panels can provide a clean, renewable source of energy and can help to reduce your reliance on fossil fuels. When planning your electrical system, consider the future needs of your home. Plan for future expansion by installing extra wiring and outlets in areas where you may need them in the future. This will make it easier to add new electrical devices or appliances without having to rewire your entire home. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, hire a qualified electrician to do the work. Electrical work can be dangerous, and it's important to have it done properly to ensure your safety. A qualified electrician will have the knowledge and experience to install your electrical system safely and correctly. They will also be familiar with the local electrical codes and regulations. When choosing an electrician, get several bids and check their references. Make sure the electrician is licensed and insured. Ask the electrician about their experience with timber frame construction. It is also a good idea to ask the electrician for a written estimate before they start work. This will help you to avoid any surprises later on. Review the estimate carefully to make sure that it includes all of the work that you want done. Get a written contract that outlines the scope of the work, the timeline, and the payment schedule. Make sure you understand the contract before you sign it. Keep a copy of the contract for your records. During the electrical installation process, communicate with the electrician regularly. Ask questions and express any concerns you have. This will help to ensure that the work is done to your satisfaction. Once the electrical work is complete, inspect it carefully. Make sure that all of the outlets, switches, and fixtures are working properly. If you notice any problems, contact the electrician immediately. By following these tips, you can ensure that your timber frame house is wired safely and correctly. The information in the resources listed is designed to help guide you through the process of wiring a timber frame house. Remember that electricity can be dangerous, so it is important to take all necessary precautions. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, hire a qualified electrician to do the work. If you are planning to build a timber frame house, consider consulting with an architect or builder who is experienced in timber frame construction. They can help you to design an electrical system that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. By carefully planning and executing the electrical wiring in your timber frame house, you can create a safe, comfortable, and energy-efficient home. Remember to always prioritize safety and consult with qualified professionals when necessary. The use of electrical traces behind baseboards is a very common practice to conceal wiring for aesthetic purposes. A timber frame home can be wired with non-metallic sheath cable, which would be commonly called Romex, or it can be wired with individual conductors pulled through conduit. Conduit runs can also be mounted on the surface of the timber frame structure. The grounding of the electrical system is critical for safety and preventing shock, so the grounding should never be overlooked. In addition, always comply with all applicable electrical codes and regulations, as these codes and regulations are for safety.